Welcome back to Larkin Motors TV. Today's a sad day, not for me, not for one of you, but for Jeff. This is a sad day. So I know we've been hinting towards giving this blue beauty away right here, and the time has come. We have the Pro Charger kit in the house, and it's time to tear this thing apart. And once it's off the road, it's off the road, and it's strictly a giveaway vehicle. So Jeff is back in his beautiful 2015, 2014.
16, I'm sorry.
Okay, 2016 Jeep Wrangler. So he's coming from here down to here, but it's for all of you. So let's jump right into the episode.
Lift it up.
So one of the main issues we've been having here is Jeff, when he's looking for them lot lizards, he found a nail in one of them lots. So we got a tire pressure light, so we figured the way to get rid of that is just rip the PCM out, throw a Pro Charger in, and have them get rid of that for us. But Josh thinks, because wheels and tires, they're going too, what's the best way to get rid of a set of tires? Larkin Motors knows the answer to that. So guys, it's a little bit of a glare because of the sun, but this truck looks so good. Let me get on this side here. I'm running for you. All right guys, like I said, once this truck is off the road, she's getting ripped apart, Pro Charged, tuned. We already have the exhaust, we already have the headers, wheels are in the mail, tires are in the mail, so it's gonna be a good one. We're excited for the build. We're excited for one of you to win the vehicle. Like I said, this is gonna be a giveaway vehicle. We're gonna do a giveaway for the Larkin Motors Foundation. If you haven't checked that out, head over to larkinmotorsfoundation.org and look into it. We help a veteran every month with car repairs. We plan to do way more down the road. This giveaway is kind of our first way to get enough money in the nonprofit to do bigger and better things. And what better way to do that than giving away a 2020 vehicle? Hold on, I got a truck driving by. But we figured all these other giveaways, they're, you know, buy a t-shirt, buy a hat, buy a key tag, and you get 2 entries. We're capping it at 2,500 entries. That's it. 2,500 tickets sold. It's going to be via an online platform, and every single one of you is going to have a chance to enter and win. It's all done through a third party, so there's no cheating. The whole thing will be hosted online. Friends and family can't win it, so any of you suckers watching this, you can't buy it. Mom, I know you want a beautiful truck, but it can't happen. So we're going to sell 2,500 tickets. The plan is $100 each, but all that stuff can be changed, but that's what we're thinking now. And we're going to include cash. We haven't come up with a number on that to pay all the taxes associated, because I know if I won the truck, I wouldn't be able to pay sales tax and income tax and whatever may come along with that. But yeah, so that's the plan, guys. It's going to be absolutely awesome flying one of you out here to take delivery of this truck. Let's get to the most exciting part of the video. The PCM should be good. Ripping that out, that would be some good content for the boys. Everybody likes a good PCM rip, but what we really like is a good burnout. So Josh, what do you think? And like I said, guys, this is gonna be incredibly loud because we have the Kooks headers on this thing. Sweet baby Jesus, the official last drive in the 2020 Denali that one of you is gonna win. All right guys, so quick change of plans. The boys in the shop heard the burnout and they always crap on me for the video stuff. What are you doing, dude? Why would you throw a fucking hammer?
Hey, you better put that on the video.
Anyway, now that we're done being super dangerous, we're gonna do one more burnout for the boys. All right, that's official. Dan's got the hammer out again, but that's the last drive in the 2020 Denali, guys. So if you want to win it, make sure you follow Larkin Motors on Instagram, subscribe, and head over to Larkin Motors Foundation and check it out.
Hammer.
Dude, stop! You literally do this in every video. Like, it's funny the first time. All right, guys. Like I said, that is the cigars on the clock. Yeah. All right, guys. Dano friggin' interrupted me, dude, guy. But like I said, that's the last drive we're ever gonna take besides, you know, a shakedown run once it's pro charged in the 2020 Denali. So if you guys want to enter for a chance to win the video, head over to, first off, like and subscribe here on YouTube. Head over to Larkin_Motors on Instagram. Give the boys a follow, leave a comment. Let us know if you're excited about the Denali giveaway. And please, guys, head over to LarkinMotorsFoundation.org and just check out what we're all about. And if you have anyone that's a veteran in need, please have them reach out to us, and we'd love to help. You know, once we get the giveaway gone, it's gonna free us up to be able to do a lot more for veterans. So I think me and Josh are just gonna pull it in and get the PCM out so the guys at Pro Charger can open her up. Eric is technically in the friends and family category, so unfortunately I don't think he's eligible for this burnout machine, but that's all right. Is he?
He doesn't want this thing.
Really?
Yeah, is this an 03 Toyota Tundra? Then no.
We could probably 03 Toyota Tundra swap it.
Yeah.
But yeah, obviously, you know, all this boogie juice that Jeff's got on here, we'll get rid of that. Nice detail when it's all done, but Josh is gonna get the PCM out, and then it's up to the guys at Pro Charger to just, you know, really let her eat. What do you think? Thoughts, concerns?
Be better if I tuned it.
Yeah, a Joshy tune, everybody knows about that. Like I said, this episode is just gonna be probably that burnout, and then us just quickly taking the PCM out. And then the next episode will be us installing the Pro Charger kit. And then you'll probably see wheels and tires somewhere in the timeline. And then the cops are coming here. They say, sir, you're missing half the tread on the tires back there for some reason.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, so there'll be an episode with the wheels and tires too, and then
boy.
and then oh, the boys are here. Oh no.
And I get yelled at.
Oh, it was definitely that.
Really?
It's definitely that car that's parked right there.
Oh, no.
No,
Well, maybe.
went the other way.
Oh no, we got one coming in.
Oh.
We actually are getting busted right now. They're trying to catch you on the other side of the circle. That's pretty funny. Sorry about that, guys. We had a customer dropping off his bagged SRT just for an alignment and a tire rotation tomorrow, but whoever called the cops on the boys, that was just a quick session.
They didn't even pull in here, and there's all the burnout machines.
Dude,
Like, it's not that shop.
they drove around our little circle here, and they were just they were looking for the boys.
No?
Uh-oh, he got someone.
Got him.
Got him! Where they headed? Yeah, we actually have a officer pulling in. If you look behind me to over my right hand shoulder, probably coming in to let the boys know
Not to do that.
not to be doing that. But you love to see it.
We'll let Jeff deal with that.
Yeah, Jeff's a big cop guy. We love the police here, you know, Jeff and Josh, both being veterans. Jeff, a former sheriff's department.
My dad's a cop.
Josh's dad's a cop.
My in-law's a cop.
Yeah,
My father-in-law.
we're big cop supporters here, and with everything going on in the world, not to get political, you know, just want to let everybody know we support them. They're just doing their job, and they saw the boys absolutely letting it eat. Luckily,
They didn't see anything.
yeah, what they didn't see can't hurt them.
Cameras are broken too.
They just broke for that few seconds. Yeah, that's one of the things, you know, we don't have our own private lot, so sometimes our neighbors just, they kind of get a little upset about something like that. Maybe round 2 was a bad idea, but
They'll be fine.
no matter.
They'll be fine.
We're just, what do you mean? This truck wasn't doing a burnout, we got the thing.
This truck right now won't even start.
Yeah, it doesn't even have a PCM, sir. How could we, Airbox is coming out, I believe, just to get to the PCM, right?
So how much money do you want to bet that Jeff is saying you have no idea what you're talking about?
Yeah, I honestly have put a good number on the fact that Jeff is telling him we don't know when the rubber is still hot in front of our driveway.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I didn't see anything.
What do you mean?
So what are you doing here? Just gotta get the airbox out of the way?
Yeah, the PCM's buried in there.
But, I mean, this is coming out anyway, right?
Yeah, it's not going back in.
Yeah, this is coming out anyway, so don't need this where we're going, right? This is going in the garbage.
Someone called to complain.
Someone did?
Yeah.
What'd they say? And he said, don't worry, brother, I love Burnouts and love America.
He did not.
What'd he say?
He said try to not do that. So I don't get money for that.
What
I
is
said,
it?
we'll let the customers know.
You said it was a customer? Dude, that's pretty funny. So we were wrong. Jeff did admit that burnouts happened, but they don't know that it was this, this truck.
This is a grandpa truck. It doesn't do burnouts.
I told you though, they literally came in hot. One of them went each direction, like they were looking to catch him. And Josh already has this thing half apart in the freaking driveway. The boys learned our lesson. We've had we've had our bluff called a time or two, but that was quick response time. Any of our neighbors, if you're watching this, live a little. Come on. If you're watching, think. If you didn't see a burnout today, that's one more day in your life you didn't see a burnout. But on that note, if you guys know anyone that needs an OEM set of 2020 Denali wheels with half tread in the back, you know, the rims are mint. What are you driving?
A sweet 2016 Jeep Wrangler lifted.
Guys,
2-inch lift.
Jeff already sacrificed for our country, and now he's sacrificing for all of you, driving a friggin' Jeep, just so one of you can win this truck. And just so you know, this here, the grill inserts are off at paint. They're gonna be black. The chrome down here just needs to be finished up. That'll also be black. And I think Eric was quoted saying, I actually kind of like this truck now, and he was not sure about it when it first drove on the lot. So
Yeah, I'm still not sure. It'll be way better now.
even after that, you weren't sure?
After that, no, it sounds good.
Yeah,
It'll go good.
it does.
It does good burnouts.
It's gonna do even better burnouts with a Pro Charger. So
Oh,
we're excited. This is kind of the first official video where we confirm that the giveaway is actually happening. Tell your friends, tell your friends' friends, tell your wives, boyfriends, tell everybody. This is the unit.
Tommy, go long.
No, that would be bad. She's a little warm, eh? But guys, this right here is the keys to all the power coming to a 2020 Denali near you. So we're gonna go ahead, get this sent off to Pro Charger. They're gonna unlock this bad boy for us, put in, what do they do? Just put in like their box tune pretty much. Put in their box tune, nice and safe. So when one of you jamokes gets this truck and is doing burnouts and getting the cops called on you, you're not gonna blow her up.
It doesn't do burnouts.
Yeah, we don't do burnouts. Anyway, when I post that video on Instagram tonight, I'm sure police station's gonna pick that one up real quick. But we're gonna go ahead, gonna get this thing packed up and sent in the mail. 500 horsepower.
Oh, I think we'll be around the 550 range.
Yeah,
You gotta show them the nice gold tinge to the headers. They've colored nicely.
Oh yeah, they did. So those are, guys, those are the Kooks long tubes headers. You might be able to see it there. I'm a little bit short, so I can't really get in there for you, but it's almost like this is a performance machine. All right, guys, so this is just a quick turn in events on today's episode of Larkin Motors TV. We'll call it episode 2 of the Denali giveaway build, but I already filmed the outro. The boys are already wrapping up for the day, but Jeff was going to leave, and one of the friendly gentlemen who stopped by to let us know not to do burnouts pulled up behind him and said, "What are you doing, dude? Put the Jeep back." And he's like, "What do you mean?" And he's like, "This thing isn't registered." And Jeff pulls back in. He's like, "Josh, your Jeep isn't registered, dude." So, Jeff just out here sacrificing for the boys. Plug our sponsor real quick. Shout out
Yerba mate. Actually,
Yerb.
probably yerba mate, but I like it. It sounds fancier.
I'll go with yerba mate too. It sounds more
Fancy?
fancy. Yeah, we'll go with that. But she looks good, sounds good. Gonna be looking better once we get these disgusting wheels off of here. Let the build continue. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. A little high in adrenaline. Dan twisted my undies for a few seconds there. I got mad at him, but I apologize, Dan. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you guys are getting excited about this build. If that burnout didn't do it for you, think about like another 150-ish horsepower coming at you. So one of you is going to be a very, very happy member of the Larkin Motors family. But just like that, guys, this one's over. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we're signing out. Peace.